Well, for us, this is very special. This is actually our 35th anniversary of this event. Celebrate Fairfax originally was the county fair, and we still are the official county fair, but we're different from that. We have 8 stages of entertainment out here. We have about 300 exhibitors, vendors, and activities and rides, and it's a real celebration. Our mission is the celebration of Fairfax County and its communities. Our goal is to provide the best quality entertainment that leads to really good quality of life experiences for the people in Fairfax County. This event really is for everyone, and when you're putting this together, you have to remember that. We almost have to think like we're throwing a party for 75,000 of our closest friends. What would it look like? So we have young families, we have teenagers, we have young professionals, we have empty nesters. So we have to program for everybody. As part of our efforts to really attract a young professional audience, we've introduced a program this year called the Tastes of Virginia. It's a large tent that has 8 Virginia wineries and breweries. They're doing sampling of their products. It's been hugely popular since we introduced it yesterday. Every year we bring in wonderful musical headliners. This year we've got 3 of them. Friday night at the festival, we had the Plain White Tees. Tonight, we're really excited. We have the B-52s. And tomorrow night, we have Living Color. This is definitely not just a county fair. Celebrate Fairfax is really a hybrid event between your typical county fair and an upscale music festival. And that's what we want to bring to the people here, because that's what our audience wants. And if our audience wants something different, then we're going to evolve with it. 35 years ago when we started this, the event didn't look like this at all, but neither did Fairfax County. Fairfax County is not like your typical county because there are so many different communities out here. There's no central place in Fairfax County. Celebrate Fairfax is designed to bring all the people of Fairfax County together for one massive celebration, one giant party, and at the same time we educate the public on everything else that there is to do in this county. And that's important for us. Quality of life is why we all live here in Fairfax. I have the best job in the world, I really do. For me, my favorite thing, and this sounds horrible, but my favorite thing is at the end of the event when kid is crying because his mom is pulling him out because it's just time to go home. It's like complimenting the chef.